Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of Impact Public Speaking Workshop. I'm very sure that you are enjoying this journey to become great public speakers. So on day 2, the assignment is very simple and very interesting, and I'm very sure that you love speaking about this topic. Let me tell you some things about public speaking. When I say public speaking, it is speaking to public. And when I say public, it may be 2 people or 200 people or 2000 people or maybe 2 lakh people. Whenever you separate yourself from others and you start speaking, that is public speaking. It may be with your boss, it may be with your colleagues, it may be with your employee, or it may be with your employer, it may be your family or friends or anyone. Whenever you are sharing your ideas, your opinions to others, there comes public speaking, and there you have to speak with confidence and with 100% accuracy. So today topic you have to select, and that is your favorite topic. When I say your favorite topic, yes, I mean your favorite topic on which you can speak number of hours. Any favorite topic. It may be the book that is inspired you, and second, you can talk anything on the person who inspired you a lot, or it may be an incident in your life which happened to you and it changed your life, or it may be any issue which is happening around you. It may be current situation, or you can talk about any educational topics like anger management, stress management, sex education, or parenting, or any topic which you have interest. So when you make this topic, make sure that you need to remember these 3 things. First thing, your topic should connect to audience. When I say audience, that means you need to make a content which is relevant for audience to listen it. You cannot serve dinner things while breakfast because people are waiting for breakfast, so they cannot expect you to provide them dinner. So make sure that your topic is connecting with audience. And second is appropriate language. A language is an important thing. So whenever you speak and public speaking, the language that you use should be appropriate. And the third thing is very important, and if you are talking any topic which is debatable, you must have proper evidences and proper resources so that you can convince people. So we from Impact Foundation, we are waiting for your videos. So you can make a video. If you're talking on any topic, talk about your self-introduction for 30 seconds and then you start your topic. And when you make a video, make sure that the background is very clear and the audio is very good, so that we can hear it and we can give you suggestions. So our Impact Foundation is waiting for your feedbacks and suggestions, and we need to see you growing as a good public speaker, and that's why we have created this group, and we don't want any kind of unwanted messages in the group. So have a best public speaking course workshop. All the best. Thank you so much.